All right, let's talk about finding cheap flights. If you're spending hours jumping between websites, you're not just wasting your time, you're probably wasting your money too. The whole system feels designed to confuse you, to make you second guess yourself, and to get you to overpay. Nailing a great flight deal can feel like winning the lottery. But what if I told you that after watching this, you'll know how to rig the system in your favor? Because today, I'm not just going to tell you how to find cheap flights. I'm going to prove you can find an amazing deal in under 60 seconds using a powerful app most people don't use to its full potential. And I'm going to do it live. The clock starts now. Okay, let's go. First, I'm opening up the app. I'm using Google Flights for this challenge because it's incredibly fast. The home screen is clean, no distractions. Step 1, departure airport. I'm not just typing New York. I'm letting the app find all the airports in the New York area. JFK, LaGuardia, Newark. That's tip number 1, always search multiple airports. We just tripled our chances of finding a deal. Next, destination. I could type in a city, but the real secret weapon is the Anywhere or Explore button. I'm tapping it. This is how you let the deals find you. The app is now scanning the entire globe for the cheapest place to fly from New York. Okay, dates. This is where most people go wrong. I am not picking a specific date. That's the single biggest mistake you can make. Instead, I tap the date field and go straight to the flexible dates view. The app shows me a full calendar, and look at that. It's covered in green. Those green dates are the cheapest days to fly. I'm selecting the absolute lowest price I see. Passengers in class are set to 1 adult, economy. Done. Now, search. The timer is ticking down, and the app is now doing the work that would normally take hours. It's scanning dozens of airlines and travel agencies in real time. It's a complete, unbiased search. And boom, there it is. Look at this list. The results are color-coded. We've got flights to Miami for $49, Los Angeles for $89, and check this out, a round trip to Barcelona, Spain for $295, found with time to spare. Now, is every international flight going to be that cheap? Of course not. But finding deals that save you $280 to $340 on international routes is absolutely realistic. And we just proved you can find them in under a minute. No stress, no army of browser tabs, just a clear, simple process. Now that you've seen it live, let's break down the why. How did we just find a flight to Europe for under $300 when most people pay 3 or 4 times that? It wasn't luck. It was a strategy built around 3 features that 99% of travelers completely ignore. First things first, I broadened my options. Most people type in one specific airport to another specific airport. That's like walking into a grocery store and only looking at a single shelf. By selecting the entire New York City area, I gave the algorithm 3 airports to check instead of 1. Sometimes flying out of a slightly less convenient airport can save you hundreds of dollars. The app does the hard work of comparing them for you, but the real game changer was using the Anywhere search. Most of us start with a fixed destination. That's an emotional decision, not a financial one. If your goal is to travel and have an amazing experience for the lowest price, you need to flip the script. Start with where the deals are. The Anywhere feature turns the world into a menu of options, sorted by price. You might discover an incredible deal to a country you hadn't even considered, and that becomes your next adventure. Next up, and this is the big one, your dates. The number one mistake that costs travelers money is being rigid with their travel schedule. Flight prices are not set in stone. They're incredibly dynamic and can change by the hour based on demand. Airlines charge a premium for peak travel times like Fridays and Sundays. When I tapped the date field, I went straight to the monthly price calendar. This thing is your crystal ball. The app shows you an entire month, color coding prices, so you can instantly see that flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday can be dramatically cheaper than on a weekend. For domestic flights, booking about 1 to 3 months in advance is often the sweet spot, while international flights are often cheapest about 2 to 6 months out. By simply looking for the green dates and picking the lowest number, I let the data, not my personal schedule, decide the best time to fly.